just like that. Really, really good. So if you want a really cool battery operated Makita fitting battery, cuts 50mm, yeah, and it comes, this one, our one we have, comes with an extension up to 8 foot, yeah. You basically take your battery off here, slot it on here, and you have which also works here. So you can,
woohoo! If you're short, you can prune high. If you're tall, you can prune higher. How high can you go?
Extend to a little bit. So if you want to get up here, look at the reach, man, it's incredible.
Prunarbo is the way to prune.